Hi, Nate here with Superior Eagle, and in this video we will go over how to play back previously recorded video. So the first thing you're going to want to do is, if you are on your main screen here, main menu screen, is double click playback, and similar to live view, you can see the different devices that you're connected to. The ones that are red means that you're not connected, and the ones that look just like these means you are. So I can hit this drop down menu and I can see the different cameras. I got a 4 split screen view. Similar to live view, you have these different options here. Custom, 36, 16, 9. Okay, we will just do the 4. Okay, so in order to look back and get the live view, what you're going to want to do is select which camera you want to view back, or cameras. You can select more than one. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to do one because I do not have much recorded on here. So I'm going to select this camera, essentially camera 3, and I'm going to move down here. Record, yes. All records, yes. Just might as well just leave it default. If for whatever reason you needed to specifically change this, we're going to do motion detect. That's how this NVR is set up. I could essentially just uncheck all these and just do motion detect, or you can leave it as default with all. Mainstream, yes, not substream. Want to get the better quality. And now I'm going to select the time and day. Now, as I clicked on this, it brought up the calendar and the date with the dates and the time. And if you notice, this one's highlighted and it's green, and it's lit up essentially. None of these other days are. If there was previously recorded video on this camera, those two would look just like this. So I'm going to change the time to 1600. Whoops. 16. Oh my goodness. 1600, which is 4 o'clock. And we'll just make this 1700, which would be 5 o'clock. Okay, I'm going to select OK. So I got the camera, I got my time selected here, the date and time, and I'm going to hit search. Now you can see on this little timeline here, which is the time that I set here, that we have some recorded motion. Okay, I can easily hit play and it will start right at the start of the motion that's detected. Okay, I also got these different little clips here. Okay, so I can double click this clip and it will bring me to that time frame. I can double click this clip and it will bring me to that time frame of the video that's recorded. What I can also do is, if you notice here, I can take a snapshot. I can zoom, right? I can double click on it and I'll get that zoom. Double click on it again. Okay. That zoom is not shown here because this little menu is blocking it. Okay, and I'll get me back to my normal view. If I wanted to zoom again, I can do so. Okay. So let's get back to our normal view, and let's get back over to these clips. So I got the date, I got the time, I can see how long the clip is actually for. 33 seconds, 51 seconds, 19 seconds. Okay, and it's playing. Not much going on because it actually, what happens is it gets the video, or I mean it gets the recording, and then it kind of breaks it down into clips. Kind of makes it easier to view. And what factors as motion, just so you know, is the different pixels that are in here. If it senses any pixel change, then it detects that as motion. So if the sun were to go down and it would change these lights, well then, that would detect as motion, and you would get a little bit of recording on that. Okay, so if I wanted to save this, what I can do is I can select all the clips or one clip, and then I can hit, let's get this one actually. This one actually has some recorded video. I can move it along, as you can see. Okay, so if I wanted to get this clip, I would select it here and I can hit download. Now I want to select the path. Maybe desktop would be easiest for you. We'll select that folder, and now it's going to save in the desktop folder. And what format I would recommend just doing the MP4. Okay, so do the MP4, hit OK, and now it's going to download to that destination. Hit OK again, and now it's doing it. All right, and it is done. So if I were to go to my desktop, it is here somewhere. There it is, right there. So I'll double click on that, and then there's the video. So you'd be able to send that to whomever if need be. You'd be able to send that to, you know, authorities, or archive it for your own personal use. So that is how you do playback. And again, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please do so by commenting in the box below, or definitely reach out to us. Subscribe to our channel. Always have good things posted on there that relate to security cameras, communications. Again, so Nate with Spear Eagle, thanks for watching.